Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center in Lake Station. Our clients from Hobart are often asking if we do transmission repair for Hobart, Indiana. We absolutely do. Not only do we perform transmission repair, we specialize in transmission repair. If you are having a transmission concern, what we recommend to our clients is to start off by coming in for our free transmission inspection performed by one of our certified transmission specialists. Today's transmissions are extremely complex with many electronic controls. Oftentimes we find our clients only need a minor repair and not a complete transmission overhaul like they're typically thinking. If we do find out you do need a major repair, to make it easier, we do offer interest-free financing if that is something you'd be interested in. We also offer free loaner vehicles while yours is being repaired at an exceptional warranty. If you have any questions, give our team at Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center a call at the number below and let us know how we can help you.